students, welcome back to our subject Science 2 and Chapter 4 Environmental Management. Points to be covered: Law enacted about environmental conservation, Forest Conservation Act 1980, Environmental Conservation Act 1986, The Big Story of a Small Man, Environmental Conservation and Biodiversity, Secret Grooves, How Biodiversity Can be Conserved. Law enacted about environmental conservation, the Forest Conservation Act 1980. The land reserved for forest conservation has been prohibited to use for any other purpose by this law. Example: permission of central government is compulsory for mining activities. Any person who disobeys this law is entitled to imprisonment for 15 days. Environmental Conservation Act 1986. The purpose of this act is to control the pollution and punish the person or the institute harming the environment. Any person or factory is prohibited by this act from releasing the pollutants in atmosphere beyond a permissible limit. Person breaching means breaking this rule is entitled either for 5 years imprisonment or fine up to 1 lakh. National Tribunal has been established in 2010 for effective implementation of environment-related laws. The Big Story of a Small Man. Jadhav Molay Pang is a highly capable person in Assam. Born in 1963, he is working as a forest worker since the age of 16 years. Once large number of snakes died in the flood of Brahmaputra river flowing by the village. As a preventive measure, Molay planted 20 bamboo plantlets. In 1979, the local Social Forest Department began a social afforestation program on 200 hectares of land. Molay was one of the few forest workers who were looking after this project. Molay continued to plant trees even after the completion of project. As a result of his continuous work of planting and caring for trees, the barren land witnessed the forest cover over 1,360 acres. Today, this jungle in Kokila Mukh of Jorhat district of Assam is the result of hard work for 30 years. He has been awarded with a prestigious Padma Shri award by the Government of India for this unparalleled work. Now it is known as Molay Jungle. Many people came together to destroy the forest, but a single person, if determined, can establish a new forest. The environmental conservation and biodiversity. The most harmful effect of environmental pollution occurs on the living organism. Our living world has richly diverse. It consists of varieties of plants and animals. However, we are not able to see some specific animals about which we have listened from our earlier generation. Biodiversity is a richness of living organism in the nature due to the presence of varieties of organisms, ecosystems and genetic variations within a species. Biodiversity occurs at 3 different levels. Genetic diversity. Occurrence of diversity among the organisms of same species is a genetic diversity. Example: each human being is different from other. Possibility of wiping out the species arises if there is a decrease in the diversity within the species whose members involve sexual reproduction. Species diversity. Innumerable species of organism occurs in the nature. This is called as species diversity. Species diversity includes varieties of plants, animals and microbes. Ecosystem diversity. Many ecosystems are present in each region. Ecosystem is formed through the interaction between plants, animals and their habitats and their changes in the environment. Ecosystem has its own characteristics: animals, plants, microbes and abiotic factors. Ecosystems are also of 2 types, are natural and artificial. Secret grooves. The forest conserved in the name of God and considered to be the secret is called as secret grooves. These are in fact the sanctuaries conserved by the society and not by the government forest department. It has been conserved in the name of God and it has a special protection. 10 clusters of thick forest are present not only in the Western Ghats of India but in entire India. How can biodiversity be conserved? First one, protecting the rare species of organism. Second, establishing national parks and sanctuaries. Third, declaring some regions as biodiverse. Fourth, projects for conservation of special species. Fifth, conserving all plants and animals. Sixth, observing the rules. Seventh, maintaining records of traditional knowledge.